A very warm good evening. I, Monish Sharma, Principal JMG Senior Secondary Public School, feel honored to extend my heartiest welcome to our annual day function. Honorable Distinguished Chief Guest Shri Umesh Dwivedi, Member of Legislative Council Uttar Pradesh. Most respected guest of honor Shri R.K. Mishra, Senior Jail Superintendent. Honorable Chairman of Radha Krishna Premanand Trust Shri V.N. Shukla, Managing Trustee Srimati Kanchan Mishra, Honorable Members of Trust Srimati Shama Shukla, Shri Rajesh Kumar Shukla, Shri Suprabhat Dwivedi, Srimati Aarti Dwivedi, respected Manager Sir, other distinguished guests from Allahabad and Lucknow, parents, teachers and my dear student. I take great pleasure in welcoming all of you on this special occasion of our annual day function. Before going ahead, let us introduce about Radha Krishna Premanand Trust. I would like to inform you that this trust was established on 31st July 2008 in Allahabad, presently known as Prayagraj, under the chairmanship of Most Reverend Shri Vishwanath Shukla. Radha Krishna Premanand Trust is engaged in charitable tasks to be performed for poor and deprived classes in Allahabad. Radha Krishna Premanand Trust has also diversified its activity in the field of education. The trust has established JMG Senior Secondary Public School, which is presently affiliated to CBSE up to 10 plus 2 level in a rural area of Kalakankar in 2011 with a view to inculcate educational skills and to have competitive edge in a present time over rivals in the new generation. The school got affiliation with CBSE New Delhi for class 10 in 2014 and for class 12 in 2016. Present strength of the school is 780. The JMG School Management Committee consists of Shri V.N. Shukla as President, Dr. Shashi Jaiswal Vice President, Shri V.K. Shukla Manager, Shri Aarti Dwivedi Deputy Manager, Shri Sunil Kumar Mishra Treasurer, Shri Prabha Shankar Pandey Advocate High Court Allahabad, Dr. Mamta Suman as member. Overall management of this school is supervised by Srimati Kanchan Mishra. JMG Senior Secondary School aims at the broad perspective that child once admitted to nursery class of JMG can pass out 12th standard, finally qualifying as engineering and medical stream. We have always been committed to create an environment in a school conducive to young minds to blossom and provide a platform for well-developed individual thinking and holistic development of the child personality to a curricular challenges of 21st century. We set standards and goals for ourselves and achieve them, be it in the area of academic, sports, discipline, leadership, or more. This annual function has been organized to honor those of its students who have made the school proud with their brilliant effort, not only in the academic field but also in a curricular area. I would like to start with my performance on the academic front. Achieving academic excellence is at the core of our endeavors as educators. We reflect our demonstrative ability to perform best of one's ability by developing one's intellectual potential and skill with diligence. We are happy to share the details of commendable performance of our students. Excellence in academic is a hallmark of our school. The result of class 10 and 12 prove without any doubt that students have made us proud during academic session 2018-19. In class 10, 7 students have passed in flying colors with getting more than 80% marks. Master Aryan Kesarwani, who were 92% marks in aggregate. So far as the result of class 12 is concerned, I am happy to inform you that 5 students of class 12 scored more than 80% marks in All India Senior Secondary Examination. Master Sachin Kumar bagged first position in the school, scoring 94% marks, and fifth position in the Pratapgarh district. Master Sachin Kumar has also qualified JEE Main examination immediately after passing out class 12. School has instituted merit cum performance based scholarship scheme for the student who have obtained more than 80% marks in their board examination to encourage them. About 8 students have been benefited by this scheme in 2018 and 11 students in 2019. Special emphasis is being laid to nurture the competitive spirit among the students to qualify all India competitive examination in engineering, IIT, NEET for the aspirant of medical stream. For this purpose, services of expert teachers in the students are also given in inspiration by appearing in examination like NTSC Kishore Vaigyanik Protsahan Yojana. About 25 students class 10th have appeared in state level NTSC examination this year. The quality of our thinking determines the quality of our mind. Participation in the social service is the biggest perspective. JMG teaching activity is not only limited to classroom teaching, but we also motivate students to appear in proficiency test. Nothing changes until you change. Everything changes if once you change. Mental ability tests for class 9 to 12 were held to judge the student power of reasoning ability to think and judge and evaluate or discriminate, and the ability to visualize in a space. Outcome of this test is shared by our director Shri Vijay Tiwari to the student. Emphasis is being laid for the teachers in service training or workshop. In keeping with school policy for continuous upgradation of knowledge and skill, performance based, our senior teachers have attended various workshops organized by CBSE, which were focused on life skills and inclusive education so as to improve their academic transaction skills to upgrade their capabilities. To be a great champion, we have to believe that we are the best. If we are not, keep on trying. Sports competition inculcate the spirit of positive challenges and sportsmanship among the students with the purpose to prepare them for a life ahead. Sports, game, physical fitness occupy a place of importance in a curriculum. Our students have actively participated in different sport inter-house competition and they have won medal trophies and certificates. My heartiest congratulations and good wishes to all young achievers. In last academic session, Scout and Guide have been instituted in our school. 12 students from class 8 to 12 are going to participate in State Empori in Lucknow at the end of this month. Since the last academic session, school has launched the school magazine titled Sandeepni to mold creative writing skills among the students. Idea shapes the course of history as pen is mightier than sword. School magazine is a window to activities of school which are taken place and fostering the knowledge, and these are helpful in development of power of writing of young aspirants. It also highlights the success and achievement of our student. Club activities to develop the team leadership among the student, namely art and craft club, journalism club, science club, eco club under the supervision of respective in charges. In present session, Independence Day, Mother's Day, Rangoli competition on the eve of Deepavali, National Integration Day have been observed in the school. Allocations and debates on issues of national importance were also organized by school clubs. We also joined the main theme of Physical Fit India by making certain physical patterns of the student. Performance have been also acclaimed in music and dance and drama contest. Recently, our students have also toured to national capital New Delhi and witnessed Association of Glory fine movements of historical monuments in Delhi. Our student also represented our school in regional science exhibition held at Varanasi organized by CBSE. They have got a lot of appreciation for their participation to ensure that our students are well equipped with the knowledge to face any challenge of social scenario of co-educational school. Our mission to convey the message among the student to create awareness among our students. The need of the hour is to keep in mind the safety of children. Primarily, workshop on self-defense of girl student was also organized by team of trainers of UP Police. Girl students were encouraged to raise their voice against any misconduct in a school, and they have been told to bring them to go by making complaints for their redressal. School has also paid regular attention towards student health and hygiene by making regular checkup and vaccination program by a team of qualified doctors. Many milestones have been achieved, many still have to reach. We at the JMG Senior Secondary Public School will continue our unceasing efforts to mold the young minds in the well-balanced, full-grown personalities with confidence and zeal. We have made a sincere effort to highlight the program achieved by JMG. One thing, on this memorable occasion, we recall our success with pride and happiness. We wish to dedicate all our achievement to the committed efforts of committed teams of JMG. Humbly salute our visionary members of school management and trust, and seek divine grace and blessing to guide us in all endeavors. At the same time, we express our sincere gratitude towards the parents as well as guardians. I would like to conclude my quoting our school motto: develop the passion for learning. If you do, you will never cease to grow.